Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your Daikin air conditioner and what to do if it is stuck in the protection mode or if it is displaying you any kind of errors. So if your Daikin AC suddenly stops cooling, won't respond to the remote or start flashing the operation light, a quick reset is going to basically something that you can start with. So first of all, before turning the unit off with the help of its remote, you need to wait until the indoor fan stops completely, and this allows the system to basically finish its normal shutdown cycle. After doing so, you just have to simply turn off your AC the from the main isolator circuit board, which can look something like this. So you just have to simply turn this button down, and then you just have to leave it as it is for at least minimum to minimum 10 minutes. So during this time, the control board clears the temporary faults which is stored in its memory. Now, once it is restored successfully, like after the 10 minutes, you just have to simply just turn it back on, and then you need to use your Daikin AC remote and you need to press this on button in order to turn the unit back on. Now make sure that the turning on time between both of these two things should have at least 1 to 2 minutes in between. So after doing so, you just have to see if your AC is now cooling properly or if the problem is gone. So that's how basically you can reset it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.